Good morning. I had just meditating in this rest. I feel really good in my mind. I always think positive. You can hear the sound of birds around me. Maybe you can see them. You can. But you can hear them. They're singing. Yeah. This place, there's just a few motorcycles. But I can still hear the bird sound. Really nice. Oh, sorry. Okay. Start a new day. Do you hear any sound? It's raining. The first rain in this season. It's about summer, April. You can hear it. Okay, let's do the homework. But there's nothing happened much today. Just like a daily day. But we are always ride a bike twice a day. That's really good. Just like that. Stay home, stay healthy, be good, be positive. Okay. And this vlog